moving everything and trying to pull the trees out of the way and clear stuff. That was a cop that just went by, so they're patrolling the neighborhoods, watching for looters. You can see where stuff's been snapped in half, fence has been knocked down. Now, police maybe, well, can't even do that. All my tools are in the garage. Thinking that I could put the fences back up, but no, what? No. Just trying to make it past all of the brush. You can see the police going by. Still all the trash, trees snapped in half. Here's our cul-de-sac. You can see the stuff all tore up.